The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the network of interconnected devices and appliances that communicate with each other through the Internet, without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. These devices can range from everyday objects such as smart thermostats, wearable fitness trackers, and home security systems to industrial machinery and vehicles. The concept of IoT has gained significant traction in recent years, revolutionizing the way we interact with technology and the world around us. One interesting fact about IoT is that it enables devices to collect and exchange data in real time, allowing for seamless integration and automation of tasks. For example, a smart refrigerator can monitor its contents and automatically create a shopping list based on what items are running low. Similarly, IoT-enabled healthcare devices can track a patient's vital signs and send alerts to healthcare providers in case of any abnormalities. Communication in IoT is facilitated through various protocols such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, and RFID, enabling devices to connect and share information securely. This interconnected network of devices offers numerous benefits, including improved efficiency, enhanced convenience, and personalized experiences for users. However, the proliferation of IoT also raises concerns about data privacy, security vulnerabilities, and potential misuse of personal information. Overall, the Internet of Things represents a paradigm shift in how we interact with technology, blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds. As IoT continues to evolve and expand, it holds the potential to transform industries, improve quality of life, and drive innovation across various sectors. The Internet of Things, IoT, has revolutionized the way we interact with technology, with a wide range of devices and appliances now being connected to the Internet. Let's explore some examples of IoT devices and appliances that have transformed our daily lives. Smart home devices. Smart thermostats, such as the Nest Learning Thermostat, can learn your temperature preferences and adjust settings automatically to optimize energy efficiency. Smart lighting systems, like Philips Hue, allow you to control the brightness and color of your lights remotely using a smartphone app. Home security systems. IoT-enabled security cameras, such as the Ring Video Doorbell, provide real-time video monitoring of your home and send alerts to your phone when motion is detected. Smart locks, like August Smart Lock, allow you to lock and unlock your doors using a mobile app or voice commands. Wearable technology. Fitness trackers, such as Fitbit and Apple Watch, monitor your physical activity, heart rate, and sleep patterns to help you stay healthy and active. Smart clothing. IoT-enabled clothing, like the Levi's commuter trucker jacket with Jacquard by Google, allows you to control your smartphone and access navigation and music features with simple gestures on the jacket sleeve. Connected cars. Modern vehicles are equipped with IoT technology that enables features such as GPS navigation, remote engine start, and automatic emergency assistance. Tesla cars, for example, receive over-the-air software updates to improve performance and add new features. Industrial IoT. In the industrial sector, IoT devices are used to monitor and optimize processes, improve efficiency, and reduce downtime. Smart sensors in manufacturing equipment can detect malfunctions and trigger maintenance alerts before breakdowns occur. Agriculture. IoT devices are also transforming agriculture by enabling precision farming techniques. Soil sensors, drones, and automated irrigation systems help farmers monitor crop conditions, optimize water usage, and increase yields. These examples illustrate the diverse applications of IoT technology across various sectors, enhancing convenience, efficiency, and productivity in our daily lives. As IoT continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative devices and appliances that further integrate technology into our routines. Communication protocols are essential in enabling devices in the Internet of Things, IoT, to exchange data and communicate effectively. Several protocols are commonly used in IoT applications, each with its own characteristics and advantages. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a widely used wireless communication protocol that allows devices to connect to the Internet and local networks. It offers high data transfer speeds and a wide coverage range, making it suitable for applications that require real-time data transmission, such as smart home devices and security systems. Bluetooth. Bluetooth is another popular wireless protocol that enables short-range communication between devices. It is commonly used in IoT devices such as wearable technology, smart speakers, and health monitoring devices. Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE, is a variant of Bluetooth that is optimized for low power consumption, making it ideal for IoT devices that run on battery power. Zigbee. Zigbee is a low-power, low-data rate wireless communication protocol that is commonly used in IoT applications such as smart lighting, home automation, and industrial control systems. Zigbee's mesh networking capabilities allow devices to form self-organizing networks, enabling reliable communication over longer distances. Z-Wave. Z-Wave is a wireless communication protocol designed specifically for home automation applications. It operates on a different frequency band than Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, reducing interference and improving reliability. Z-Wave devices can communicate with each other and create a mesh network to extend coverage throughout a home. MQTT, Message Queuing Telemetry Transport, is a lightweight messaging protocol that is commonly used in IoT applications for connecting devices to a central server or cloud platform. It is designed for low bandwidth, high latency networks and supports publish-subscribe messaging, making it ideal for IoT devices that need to send and receive small packets of data efficiently. These communication protocols play a crucial role in enabling the seamless connectivity of IoT devices, allowing them to exchange data, receive commands, and interact with other devices in a networked environment. Interconnected devices in the Internet of Things (IoT) offer a multitude of benefits that enhance our daily lives in various ways. One significant advantage is increased convenience and efficiency. IoT devices can automate routine tasks, such as adjusting home temperature settings based on occupancy or replenishing grocery supplies through smart ordering systems. This automation saves time and effort, allowing users to focus on more important activities. Another benefit of interconnected devices is improved monitoring and control capabilities. For example, IoT-enabled security cameras provide real-time video surveillance of homes or businesses, allowing users to remotely monitor their properties from anywhere in the world. Similarly, smart health devices can track vital signs and send alerts to healthcare providers in case of emergencies, enabling timely intervention and improved health outcomes. Interconnected devices also contribute to energy efficiency and cost savings. Smart thermostats optimize heating and cooling schedules based on user preferences and occupancy patterns, reducing energy consumption and utility bills. IoT-enabled lighting systems adjust brightness levels and turn off lights in unoccupied rooms, further conserving energy. Additionally, interconnected devices promote connectivity and communication among users, fostering collaboration and sharing of information. For instance, IoT platforms enable data sharing between devices, leading to insights that can drive innovation and improve decision-making. Overall, the benefits of interconnected devices in the IoT ecosystem extend beyond individual convenience to encompass enhanced efficiency, control, cost savings, and collaboration, ultimately enriching our lives in meaningful ways. The Internet of Things, IoT, presents a myriad of challenges and security concerns that must be addressed to ensure the reliability and safety of interconnected devices. One of the primary challenges in IoT is the sheer scale and complexity of the network. With billions of devices connected to the Internet, managing and securing such a vast ecosystem poses significant logistical and operational challenges. Additionally, the diversity of IoT devices, each with its own specifications and communication protocols, complicates the task of ensuring seamless integration and interoperability. Another key challenge in IoT is data privacy and security. IoT devices collect and transmit vast amounts of data, including personal information and sensitive details, raising concerns about unauthorized access and data breaches. Hackers can exploit vulnerabilities in IoT devices to gain access to networks, compromise data integrity, and launch cyber attacks. Interestingly, many IoT devices have limited processing power and memory, making them more susceptible to security threats. Furthermore, the rapid pace of IoT innovation often outpaces the development of robust security measures, leaving devices vulnerable to emerging threats. Addressing these security concerns requires a multifaceted approach that includes implementing encryption protocols, authentication mechanisms, and regular software updates to patch vulnerabilities. Additionally, raising awareness among users about best practices for securing IoT devices and networks is crucial in mitigating risks. Another challenge in IoT is the lack of industry-wide standards and regulations governing device security and data privacy. The absence of uniform guidelines can lead to inconsistencies in security practices across different IoT products and manufacturers, creating gaps that malicious actors can exploit. To address this issue, industry stakeholders, policymakers, and cybersecurity experts must collaborate to establish comprehensive standards and regulations that prioritize security and privacy in IoT deployments. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of IoT technology are vast, and by proactively addressing security concerns and implementing robust measures, we can harness the full potential of interconnected devices while safeguarding against potential risks. The Internet of Things, IoT, has had a profound impact on our daily lives, transforming the way we interact with technology and the world around us. One significant impact of IoT is the increased convenience and efficiency it brings to our routines. IoT devices, such as smart home assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Home, have become integral parts of many households, allowing users to control various tasks with simple voice commands. From setting reminders and playing music to controlling smart appliances and adjusting lighting, these devices streamline daily activities and enhance productivity. IoT technology has also revolutionized the healthcare industry, with wearable devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers monitoring vital signs, tracking physical activity, and providing personalized health insights. These devices empower individuals to take control of their well-being and make informed decisions about their health. In the realm of transportation, IoT-enabled vehicles offer advanced features such as GPS navigation, real-time traffic updates, and remote diagnostics. Electric vehicles like Tesla models can receive over-the-air software updates to improve performance and add new functionalities, showcasing the potential for IoT to drive innovation in the automotive sector. Moreover, IoT has revolutionized the retail experience, with smart shopping carts and cashierless stores leveraging sensor technology and data analytics to enhance customer convenience and streamline the checkout process. Amazon Go stores, for example, use IoT sensors and computer vision to track items selected by customers and automatically charge their accounts upon exit, eliminating the need for traditional checkout lines. The impact of IoT extends beyond individual convenience to encompass broader societal benefits, such as improved energy efficiency and environmental sustainability. Smart home devices like thermostats and lighting systems optimize energy usage based on occupancy patterns, reducing utility costs and carbon emissions. IoT technology also plays a crucial role in smart city initiatives, enabling efficient waste management, traffic control, and public safety measures. By leveraging IoT solutions, cities can enhance quality of life for residents, promote sustainability, and drive economic growth. Overall, the impact of IoT on daily life is profound and far-reaching, revolutionizing industries, enhancing user experiences, and shaping the future of technology-driven innovation. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a rapidly evolving field with exciting future trends that promise to further revolutionize technology and connectivity. One key trend in IoT technology is the proliferation of edge computing, where data processing and analysis are performed closer to the source of data, such as IoT devices themselves. Edge computing reduces latency, enhances real-time decision-making, and minimizes the need for constant data transmission to centralized servers. This trend is particularly relevant in applications requiring low latency, such as autonomous vehicles, industrial automation, and healthcare monitoring systems. Another emerging trend in IoT is the convergence of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning with IoT devices, enabling intelligent decision-making and predictive analytics. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of IoT data to identify patterns, anomalies, and insights that drive automation and optimization in various industries. For example, predictive maintenance systems use AI to anticipate equipment failures before they occur, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. The integration of AI with IoT devices also enables personalized user experiences and adaptive automation in smart homes, healthcare, and retail environments. The Internet of Things is also witnessing advancements in connectivity technologies, with the emergence of 5G networks that offer higher data speeds, lower latency, and increased network capacity. 5G technology enables seamless connectivity for a multitude of IoT devices, supporting applications that demand high bandwidth and real-time communication, such as augmented reality, autonomous vehicles, and smart cities. Additionally, the concept of digital twins is gaining traction in IoT, where virtual replicas of physical objects or systems are created to simulate, monitor, and optimize their performance. Digital twins enable predictive modeling, scenario analysis, and remote monitoring of assets, enhancing operational efficiency and decision-making. As IoT technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see further integration with emerging technologies such as blockchain for secure data exchange, quantum computing for complex data processing, and augmented reality for immersive user experiences. These future trends in IoT hold immense potential to drive innovation, transform industries, and shape the way we interact with technology in the years to come. The Internet of Things, IoT, is reshaping our world, offering convenience, efficiency, and connectivity in various aspects of our lives. From smart home devices to industrial automation, IoT technology is driving innovation and transforming industries. However, challenges such as security concerns and data privacy must be addressed to ensure the safe and reliable operation of interconnected devices. Looking ahead, future trends in IoT, including edge computing, AI integration, 5G connectivity, and digital twins, hold immense promise for further advancements in technology and user experiences. As we embrace the opportunities presented by IoT, we are poised to witness a new era of interconnected devices that enhance our daily lives and shape the future of technology.